Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get cockroach filter on Snapchat as well as Instagram. So for that you need to search here as a cockroach. Yeah, the first option you will see here under the lenses. So this is a cockroach filter. So this is how you can use. So if you are not able to find this, then I will add a link in my video description. You can click on that link and you can open it from Snapchat. So this link will directly redirect you to this filter. So here you can click on unlock for 24 hours and you can use it. So to use this filter in Instagram, we don't have a separate filter for Instagram. So you need to download this, save this video to your phone, and you can post it in your Instagram stories. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.